Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Due to coronavirus, the students are not attached with the study. Because of that, we have started online classes, and today is my topic about a sentence, kinds of sentence, class, kinds of clauses. What is sentence? A basic unit. Clear? What is sentence? Here we have discussed sentence. A group of words makes a complete sense and complete thoughts and complete meaning. That is called sentence. For example, if I say Ali is a teacher, Ahmad is a doctor, Ali is an engineer, that is called a sentence. Before going to sentence, kinds of sentence, first of all, the student must know what is class. If you understand the class, you will understand all the kinds of sentences. We have simple sentence, we have compound sentence, we have complex sentence and compound complex sentence. Class, subject plus predicate is called class. Subject plus predicate is called class. What is subject? Subject. For example, if I say Ali is a teacher, Ali is a teacher. Ali is what? Ali is a subject. Ali is a teacher. And the rest of the sentence is called predicate. Ali is a teacher. Ali is subject. And the rest of the sentence is called subject. The doer of an action is called subject. But here here the subject is not doing any action. Here the subject is not doing any action. Ali is a teacher. We are just explaining it, and it just tells us that what is his vocation. V-O-C-A-T-I-O-N means job. Ali is a teacher. Then we have class. We have two kinds of class. Independent class and dependent class. What is independent class? It is also called simple sentence. It gives complete meaning. It stands alone. And it does not depend on another class for its complete meaning. It stands alone, complete meaning, doesn't depend on another class for its complete meaning. For example, Ali is a teacher. Ali is a doctor. Ahmad is a driver. So it gives complete meaning. Before, if you want to understand the kinds of sentences, so you must understand independent class and dependent class. So what is independent? Independent means it is also called simple sentence. Give complete meaning. It stands alone and it does not depend on another class for its complete meaning. These are opposite of each other, independent and dependent. They are completely just like the antonym of each other. Independent class, it does not stand alone. For complete meaning, it must have two classes. Two classes. It does not give complete meaning. For complete meaning, it depends on another class. For complete meaning, it depends on another class. And it is not called simple sentence. If I say, for example, if you pass exam, this is called dependent class. It depends on another class for complete meaning. So it does not give any sense, any meaning. It needs another sentence for complete meaning. Without another class, it does not give complete meaning. So here we will discuss kinds of sentence. We have simple sentence, we have compound sentence, we have complex sentence, and we have compound complex sentence. The first one is simple sentence. Kinds of sentence, simple sentence. Simple sentence. Simple sentence, just like we have discussed, it gives complete meaning. It gives complete meaning, and it has only one independent class. Simple sentence has only one independent class. Independent class we have discussed here. If you have the concept of classes in your mind, you can do it all of the sentence easily. One independent class. So what is independent class? Independent class we have discussed here. It is also called simple sentence, gives complete meaning, stands alone, and it depends on another class for its complete meaning. So this is called simple sentence. It has only one independent class. It has only one independent class. The second one is compound. Compound sentence. Compound means two. Compound means two. It has two independent class. It has two independent class. Simple sentence has only one independent class. Compound sentence has two independent class. For example, Ali is a shopkeeper. Aslam is a driver. These two sentences has one independent class. Clear? For example, if we want to make it compound sentence, so we will put conjunction here. Ali is a shopkeeper and Aslam is a driver. Aslam is a driver. So both of the sentence are independent. It gives complete meaning and it gives complete meaning. We have here just put conjunction and we have connect them. Clear? The third one is complex. Complex sentence. Now, complex sentence has two classes. How many classes? It has two classes. One is independent and second one is dependent. Here we have two classes. One is independent and second is dependent. If you understand the concept of class, dependent and independent, you can do it all of them easily. Independent and dependent. For example, when I meet you. When I meet you. So what does it mean? When I meet you. It does not have complete sense, complete meaning, and complete thoughts. It needs another sentence for completion. It needs another sentence for completion, for complete thought and complete sense. For example, another sentence, if I became the PM of Pakistan. If I became the PM of Pakistan. So it needs another sentence. It depend on another class. Clear? The next one we will have complex compound. Complex compound. It has three classes. Two independent class and one is one independent class. It has three classes. Clear? It has how many classes? Three classes. Two independent class and one dependent class. For example, although teacher was explaining the topic, Arshad was sleeping and Ali was writing. Here we have three classes. Two independent and one is two is independent and one is dependent. Sorry for that. One is dependent. Two independent and one is dependent. So this one is dependent class. Although teacher was explaining the topic, this is dependent class. Arshad was sleeping. This is one independent class and Ali was writing. This is another independent class. Clear? So today it was our topic sentence, kinds of sentence and class. What is sentence? Sentence, a group of words which makes complete sense, complete meaning and complete thoughts. After that we have discussed class. What is called subject plus predicate is called class. Then we have discussed kinds of class. One is independent class and one is dependent class. Then what is independent class? Independent class is which stands alone. It is also called simple sentence. It gives complete meaning and it does not depend on another class for its complete meaning. Second, independent class, it does not stand alone, does not give complete meaning. For complete meaning, it depends on another class. Then we have discussed kinds of sentence, simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence and compound complex sentence. Thank you.